What is price action? We can simply say that price action is the practice of trading in which the traders study past chart patterns that repeat themselves over and over again, and using them to forecast the next direction in which the market is most likely to go. Okay, so we look at the market, we look at the chart, the price chart, like this. Okay, this is the price chart. So we study the patterns that do repeat themselves over and over, so we can look at what is happening, what has happened before, and what is happening now. That means we are studying the historical, pattern, and then use that to forecast what is about to happen. Right. So that is what it is. We are using the structure of the market, that is the present structure, and present structure depends on what we have before and what we are and what is forming now, and then we use that to determine the possible. It's like when you see someone is drawing. Okay, he has drawn, you have seen the head, you have seen the hands, the chest, then you can probably say this guy is drawing a boy, or is drawing a girl, or is drawing a student. Okay, so that is it. Even though the guy has not completed the diagram, the picture has not been completed, but you can say, okay, this guy, this is what he is painting, and then that is what, something like that. That's what we mean by price action. So we look at the picture that the market is painting, and then we can ultimately say, okay, this is probably the most most likely. This is the most likely, result that we're going to have in the end of the process. So the tools that are commonly used by price action traders are chart patterns, support and resistance levels, consolidations, candlestick patterns, trend lines, pivot points, price range or price bands, upswings and downswings, as well as Fibonacci retracement levels. These are the tools that we find very powerful, very useful in the school of the practice of price action trading. So these are, you can see in the future, very soon we're going to learn all these things that I mentioned here, and how we can effectively use them to call our trade. Okay, we need to know how to read about chart patterns. We learn about support and resistance down to Fibonacci retracement level. So in this course, I'm going to elaborate the workings of these tools and the advantages, okay, and how we can apply them directly to a price action trading. Right. Now, when we say pure price action, pure, complete, undiluted price action trading, we are referring to a practice that does not respect economic news. If you are not very new, you are not too new to the market, you will understand that there's all this stuff that we call economic news, like NFP, like interest rates, all of these things. Okay, they are the things that actually move the market. They are the force that move the market. They are the force that shape the market. But a pure price action trading does not actually respect them. It is totally based on what the chart is saying. A complete price action trading is based on what the chart is saying, because it believes that everything, whatever that we talk of technical indicators, we talk of news or fundamental analysis, all of them, they are reflected in the chart, so that the chart says it all. Pure price action believes that price says it all. So the fact is that most price action traders anyway tend to respect the release of major economic news, because major economic news, whenever they are released, they can cause sudden change in the market. They can significantly alter the direction of the market. So I know we are not going to be too theoretical when our money is at stake. So that is why so many price action traders still at least respect news, even though their ideology does not. Now, the fact about price action trading is that it is the clear picture of the overall behavior of every trader in the market. It gives a very clear picture of what everybody is doing. The new traders, the professionals, the fundamental traders, the technical traders, all of them. It gives the resultant, picture. It gives the resultant, information. It in a way present everything in a picture, in the chart. So that is good thing, and it is therefore a very good ideology that I will always recommend for any traders. It explains the market structurally. You can see, and if you understand this practice, you will see the structure of the market. Then it will now give a good solution to the problems, the common problems in the market, the problems of false signals from other popular technical indicators. So it is worthy of note, therefore, that price action trading is stronger. You need to know that it is stronger on daily time frame, it's strong on 4-hour time frame, but weak on 1-hour time frame. Different traders use different time frame for their trading, but if you want to be a price action trader, I will really advise that you respect daily time frame, because the information you get from daily time frame are more reliable than from strong hour, and from strong hour is reliable, much more reliable than 1 hour. Okay, so let's look. The last thing we'll look at in this video is what are the good qualities of price action traders. If you're a price action trader, you need to respect the trend. Don't joke with the trend. Okay, then that means you need to respect the ultimate direction of the market. Don't just trade against the trend anyhow. Okay, then you need to know and understand chart patterns, because that is the foundation of chart pattern. Price action trading. Then candlesticks. You need to know the property of important candlesticks. We have doji, we have bullish engulfing, we have doji, we have hammer, and all those things. So you try and know what they say. If you look here now, this is what I mean by candlesticks. You see this candlestick is not the same as this one. And look at where this one is formed, and look at what happens immediately after that formation. You can see this also, see where it is formed, see what happens thereafter. So look at this, where it is formed, look at what happened thereafter. So we need to give attention to the knowledge of candlesticks if we really want to trade using price action. Then you need to also use a good reward ratio, a good risk reward ratio, a good RR ratio, which means at least you must use 1:2 RR. What's the meaning of that? At least you must risk half of your potential profit. you can your profit, your potential profit may even be 4 times your risk. But you know, in price action trading, we try to look at things that give you edge, that give you advantage. And since we know that we are guessing, every trader is guessing, but we need to do things that put us in the direction of the highest probability of success. And one of it is what? Using at least 1:2 risk reward ratio. Okay, and the last thing is you must always wait for the market to come to you according to your setups on higher time frames. You don't force the market. If there is no structure, there is no structure telling you to sell. If everybody is selling, that is not your business. So what you have to do is wait for the right time. Wait for the right time. And then when you wait for the right time, then the market will reward you. So you need to be very patient, very disciplined, waiting for the, after you have seen the market, when you make your analysis. And what we have is that this market is, you have something that looks like, okay, it is a good time to sell, but the market has not confirmed it. The candle has not fully formed, and then you say, I know, I assume this will happen. Then you are putting your money, you are throwing your money away just like that. And I don't think that is what you would like to do as an entrepreneur. So once again, these are the qualities of a good price action trader. Okay, make sure you know them. And then I would also like to let you know that price action trading is not what? Price action trading is not a get rich quick, scheme. It's not holy grail. It's just a trading method, a trading philosophy that boosts your profitability, that helps you to become a good trader, and to know, and in a word, in a sentence, I would say price action trading helps us to know again that forex trading is what? Real. I commend your commitment to success. Kindly subscribe to my channel, and also I would appreciate it if you like this video, and please tell me something about this video in the comment section. This is just the second video on this course, and I believe you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and in case you want to read, you can always come to my blog here and read about this course. Right, thank you very much. Join me in the next video.